In today's video, you will learn how to add audio or new audio track in DaVinci Resolve. Adding a new audio track is a simple process, but it's incredibly useful when you're working on projects that require multiple layers of sound. Whether you're adding a voiceover, background music, sound effects, or any other type of audio, creating a separate track helps keep everything organized and much easier to edit. With your project open, look down at your timeline where all of your video and audio tracks are displayed. On the left side of the timeline, scroll down to the bottom of the existing tracks. This is where you'll be able to add a brand new audio track to your project. Once you're at the bottom of the track list, right-click in the empty area on the left side of the timeline. A menu will appear with several options. Move your cursor over Add Track, and you'll see different types of audio tracks that you can create. DaVinci Resolve gives you multiple choices depending on the type of audio setup you need for your project. For most editing situations, selecting a stereo audio track is a great option. Stereo tracks are commonly used for voiceovers, music, and the majority of audio files you'll work with during video editing. Simply click the stereo option and DaVinci Resolve will instantly create a new audio track in your timeline. Once the new track has been added, it's immediately ready to use. You can drag and drop audio clips onto it, record or place a voiceover there, or keep different types of audio separated across multiple tracks. Organizing your audio this way makes your timeline cleaner and gives you more flexibility when adjusting volume levels, trimming clips, or making other edits later in your project. And that's all there is to it. By adding a new audio track, you'll have more room to organize your project and work with multiple audio sources more efficiently in DaVinci Resolve.